There is a distinct satisfaction in taking a raw digital photo and turning it into an object you can physically paint. The ByNumbers web app uses AI vision models to look at your personal photos and convert them into fully personalized, ready-to-print paint-by-number templates in a matter of minutes. To get started, you only need 3 things: a digital photo file, an active email address to receive your files, and your local postal code. Gathering these 3 specific inputs early removes friction from the process. It allows the system to smoothly bridge the gap between a digital memory stored on your phone and a physical activity ready for your kitchen table. Step 1 is setting up your digital workspace. Create an account and navigate straight to the main upload interface. From here, drag and drop your chosen source photo into the application. Check the preview window to confirm the image is properly loaded. Before moving forward, evaluate your image. Submitting an underexposed, heavily shadowed, or blurry photograph is the most common point of failure. This diagram illustrates why lighting matters. The underlying AI vision model evaluates your photo by mapping shifting contrast lines. It needs sharp edges and clear lighting to accurately define the topographical boundaries for each individual color region. The structural integrity of your final painting template relies entirely on the optical clarity of the file you upload. Once your image is processed, you move to the customization dashboard to lock in the physical parameters of your kit. Start by defining your materials. Select a paint medium, such as oil, acrylic, or crayons. Then choose your print size, which ranges from standard A4 up to tabloid, and pick your preferred paper texture. Next, select a color palette style to dictate the aesthetic mood of the piece, like true to life or monochromatic. This matrix shows your final and most important variable, the complexity level. This setting places a strict mathematical limit on the colors the algorithm will generate. Easy applies a rigid 5 to 8 segment limit, while hard allows for 14 to 20 distinct segments. Mismatching your input detail with your output complexity creates problems. If you compress a highly detailed photograph into the easy setting, the visual data overlaps, resulting in muddy, illegible paint regions. A safe operational rule is to select hard for highly detailed reference photos to preserve data fidelity. Reserve easy for projects that are heavily simplified or stylized from the start. Scan your dashboard to look for the UI confirmation highlights, verifying that all 5 parameters are successfully locked. This customization phase operates as a control panel, allowing you to explicitly dictate the time, material costs, and physical skill required for your final piece. With everything verified, execute the Generate command to initiate the algorithmic rendering. The application will display a web success screen, but your next step requires a context shift. You need to open the email inbox registered to your account. Automated delivery often fails here because attachments are frequently intercepted by aggressive spam or promotional filters. To bypass this, manually search your hidden junk or promotions folders for the ByNumbers sender address. Successfully locating this specific email is non-negotiable. It serves as the sole bridge transferring the generated data out of the cloud and into your control. Open the secured email and extract the provided digital asset bundle. Your bundle contains 4 key items: the printable template, the original reference photo, step-by-step instructions tailored to your chosen medium, and a complete color palette containing precise hex codes. Preparing these files brings us to the final mechanical failure point: utilizing incorrect scaling settings during the physical printing process. This overlay demonstrates the mathematical aspect ratio of your template warping when forced into fit-to-page boundaries. Setting your printer strictly to actual size prevents this distortion completely. Alongside your template files, the system uses the postal code you provided in Step 1 to query and deliver a customized geographical map of nearby craft supply stores. Adhering to these precise extraction and hardware printing rules guarantees the algorithmic design translates flawlessly into its intended physical dimensions. The setup is now complete. You possess an unwarped, fully printed template and the localized physical supplies needed to begin painting. For long-term project management, you can access the My Kits database located directly within your profile interface. This database provides complete redundancy. You can effortlessly recover lost emails or reprint historical templates without needing to rerun the AI generation. By storing every project indefinitely, The platform functions as a permanent, accessible archive for converting intangible memories into